Hey guys, this video is about verbs. A verb is used to express action or describe a state of being. These types of verbs are very different, and I know most of you are familiar with verbs as being an action. For example, he runs a mile every day. That would be showing an action. But showing a state of being is a little bit different. I am would be the verb there. I am, it's like I'm saying I am being happy. So I am happy, that would be the verb am. We're going to look at both of these types of verbs in this video. So the two types of verbs are action verbs and linking verbs. Action verbs, as we said, do show action. It's something that you can do. So think about it that way. If you're not sure if a word is a verb or not, think about, can I do that? Can I go run? Yes, I can. Can I draw? Yes, I can. Something that you can do. Action verbs, here are some examples. Run, draw, create, like, hope. These are all things that you can do. I can hope, I can like things, I can create things that you can do. Linking verbs, we'll spend a lot more time on this here. They are a little more confusing, but the point here is that they link a noun, so a noun being a person, place, or thing, they link that noun to what that noun is being. Like we said before, I am being happy. So here, Fido is the noun, that's the person, place, or thing. Fido is, that's the verb. And then it's like saying is being happy, but the sentence then would really be Fido is happy. Is would be that linking verb. It's linking Fido to happy. Fido is happy. That's why it's called a linking verb. Here are some examples of linking verbs. Be, am, is, are. You could say will be for the future, could be, may, can, were, was, would be, can be. There are some others, and we'll talk about those more later in class. Verb tense. Only verbs can show tense. This means that any verb can be shown in the past, in the present, or in the future. So you take a verb, let's say for example the word remember, which is a verb, it's something I can do. I remember, which would be in the present, that's something I can do right now. I remember right now. Or I remembered with ed on the end, that would be in the past. I did it in the past. Or I will remember in the future. To also check if a word is a verb, you can do the will test. You can put will in front of the word to see if it is a verb, an action, or something that you can do. So I could say, I will run. Obviously that makes sense, and so that is something that you can do. That's a verb. I will hope. That makes sense. That's a verb. I will draw. That makes sense. So let's check all these words over here. These are non-examples. I will computer. No, that doesn't work. That doesn't make sense. Computer is not something that you can do. I will colorful. No, that doesn't make sense. Colorful is not something that you can do. I will green. Nope, green doesn't make sense. You cannot go in green tomorrow when you wake up. Doesn't make sense, so it's not a verb.